Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Sign into the same Apple ID on your iPhone before you start. Open Settings and tap your name to confirm Apple ID. Tap iCloud and turn on iCloud Drive for WhatsApp. Make sure you have at least 5 GB free in iCloud or purchase more storage if needed. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data charges. Keep your phone plugged in during large backups to prevent interruptions and failed uploads. Open WhatsApp and tap Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup to begin. Tap Backup now to create an immediate copy in iCloud. Tap Auto Backup and choose daily, weekly, or monthly to schedule regular backups. Toggle Include Videos if you want to back up large video files too. Confirm WhatsApp has permission to use iCloud Drive when prompted. Wait for the backup to finish before switching accounts or deleting chats to avoid data loss. When reinstalling WhatsApp, sign into the same Apple ID and verify the same phone number. After verifying your number, WhatsApp will detect an iCloud backup and prompt you to restore chat history. Do not delete the iCloud backup while the restore runs. Wait until it completes. For extra security, enable end-to-end encrypted backup in WhatsApp settings and create a password or a 64-digit key. Store that password or key safely, because you will need it to do.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.